Ever wonder why you get those pesky bumps after a waxing session? Let's explore how to soothe your skin. When hair is yanked out during waxing, it stresses the surrounding skin, often leading to mild bumps and inflammation. This is typically folliculitis, which can clear up on its own, but sometimes, especially if the bumps persist beyond a few days, it could signal a mild infection. And if bumps appear a week later, you might be dealing with ingrown hairs, where hair grows back into the skin. Right after waxing, cool compresses and loose clothing are your best friends to reduce irritation. Avoid heat and perfumed products. If your skin is still throwing a fit, a little over-the-counter cortisone cream can work wonders. Sweat can irritate your freshly waxed skin. To keep your skin smooth post-wax, regular cleansing and exfoliation are key. Wax appointments every 4 to 6 weeks to align with your hair's growth cycle. If your skin's still upset as your next session approaches, chat with your waxing specialist. They'll guide you on whether to reschedule, especially if it's close to your menstrual cycle when your skin may be extra sensitive.